This is Kasey. Kasey's eating today. Alright, so it starts with some yams. I know they're very attractive looking yams. I have some potatoes at the standby if I need them. This is the Instapot. Things go in here. What things go in here? Well, first, I have flaxseed. I have chia seed. I'm going to refill this in a minute, but this is, what is this? Oh, this is nutritional yeast. That's what that is. We'll go in here. And over here we have the fresh red peppers, the curries. This is the paprika. Now I know this says, wait a minute. Yeah. So this is really curry here. Right here, this is turmeric. I buy that in a different bag. It's gonna look like this at the end of the day. That's the after pick. Alright, anything else I got in here? Maybe I'll put some guac mix. I found some jerk seasoning. That might be pretty. Ooh. Sometimes I like to put. Now I do this for Amanda's mix. I put little coca in it. Alright. See, I need to repaint my cabinets and all. So that's part one. See, this is all muscle memory. I'm forgetting everything I need. Okay, so yeah, I might as well do this too. So today, I'll pick out, we'll do some fajita blend. And these are some chopped collards. So we'll do that. And then later on after it's done, I'll put in a bag of whole cranberries. That'll be great. And these are mushrooms. Mushrooms. 2 boxes of mushrooms, and some of it will go back in this dirty freezer that I need to clean. I would have put the guacamole salsa in it today, but as you can see, it is frozen. So I will do that next time around, because I do not like it as salsa, and I do not want to waste it. Occasionally, well, let's see if I can't throw some cauliflower in today too. All right. I don't think I'm missing anything. That is, well, I'm sure I am. Oh, yeah. Hold on. Now, uh-oh, she's done. This is what we do with Kasey. Let's go, Kasey. No. That not good enough for you? Come on, let's go. Kasey. Oh, I'm supposed to get her down in the basement today. Kasey. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Yay, Kasey. No, Kasey. And she's away. She has to use the litter box in the morning because she's scared of the other cat who's currently in a closet. This is not the cat, but I'm gonna go. All right, let's go. Yeah. Keep going. All right. Yep, there you go. Bye. Alright, so this was the premium yeast flakes I was talking about. I'm going to do that. I got some steel cut oats. I think I'm going to have to refill that today too. Sometimes I have some millet and a bunch of other stuff too. Okay, so these are the other ingredients I'm going to pick out of here. This is a mix of millet and bulgur right there. This here is steel cut oats and quinoa right there. Ta-da! Alright, those are the essential ingredients I use to do my stuff. They're in different spots, and I just got to put them all in this Instapot. But there's another process, which is ordinary rice cooker, where I take these 3 and cook them separately in rice cooker. And I have to use them in another room because otherwise it'll short out in here because I don't have the... Anyway, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to go cook those up right now. And then everything else goes in here. And then the yams over yonder there will all go in here too. And I'll mix them up. And it's gonna look like this, and that's That's what I eat. Okay. That's all. So here are most of the ingredients I showed you in the Instapot. Now, what's going to be tricky here? I'm adding water up to the Instapot line, and then I will attempt to mix it, which I cannot do on the camera because I only have 2 hands. I got some lemon juice as well. I'm very happy with the lemon juice. So this is another step, and like I said, as I do this, the yams are boiling, and over here in the other laundry room is my first rice cooker full of quinoa. That's happening, and Cyril is waiting for me. I don't. He's just hanging out here. All right, that's what's going on right now. And I forgot I gotta add my tofu. So there's some tofu. I'm gonna take this sweet little ginsu knife from the 80s, and I'm gonna chop this in little blocks. I'm gonna do that in a minute and put it in there. I always forget the tofu. Don't know why. At this time, we're winding down a bit. It's about an hour into my food prep. The yams have been mashed with my little potato masher, ready to go. Got 36 minutes on the Instapot. I've done 2 out of my 3 rice cooking things here. This is the bulgur and the millet, and underneath is the quinoa. And that's where we're at. I'm kind of tired. I think I'll sit down. I got my bowls ready to put the mix in. And right now is just the waiting period where I usually just fill up my stuff, but I already did that, so it's back in the fridge. And you know, like I said, here's the flaxseed. This is the what is this? This chias. See, my nutritional yeast is all filled up again. In the back, I got the quinoa. I got my millet bulgur mix, and this here is steel cut oats. I think I forgot one thing when I did my intro. These are beans. These are just beans. Keep my beans here, and looks like I have one serving of beans left. So that means next time, well, the time after that, I'll use the Instapot, and I usually do about 2 bags of beans in the Instapot, and then get those all ready. I got the pintos, I got the light red kidneys, garbanzo, and such. So that's my overview. Oops, sorry, excuse me. That's my overview on the beans, and that's where I'm at. And I got 35 minutes. And the thing that annoys me about the Instapot is that I just given up on the seal to get it going. You know, I can open it up, and maybe I should mix it a bit and try to get that Instapot seal. You know, maybe 1 time out of 10 I get it working. So I just give up on it. But you know, that's what we got going on with the Instapot. Hey, there I am, and I'm gonna go. I keep the mirror here by the sink so I can watch TV. There's a TV. See, TV's off right now. But if I'm doing stuff at the sink, I can just look up, and there's a TV. So and this is dirty. I really need to get a new kitchen redo coming up sometime. We did the floors like 6 years ago, and we're like, yeah, we're gonna do the kitchen, and we never did. So it needs a paint job to match the floor. And you know, I feel like these 1952 cabinets need something. You know, I got paint chipping off here and getting on my plates. I don't like that. So yeah, that's on my list. That's things to do. Yeah. All right. Well, that's 3 minutes I've taken up. Right there. So I'm gonna enjoy this view. This is a fine view. There we go. Alright, so it's now 40 minutes later. The Instant Pot is done. I just put the cranberries in the mix. And now I will mix in sweet potatoes, the oatmeal, and my original mix. And this is a long process that involves this ladle here where I scoop and fill. As you can see, this is already filled. And then I put back into one of the bowls, and then I fill up a couple bowls and continue scooping, and then empty out these bowls back in, because I want to get all this mixed, balanced out amongst the servings today. So that's the process I'm going to do right now. Yeah. All right. So I have some cleanup to do. Doing that right now. I got 16 servings. No, it's 6, 12, 14. 14 servings. That was my mistake. So there we go. That is what I eat every day. From the hours of 4 in the morning until maybe 10:30 in the morning. That's my eating schedule. Now, I just don't eat this. Occasionally, I'll make some pasta up. I'll cook some tofu with some turmeric and put that into some spaghetti. Sometimes I eat some junk food. So I'm a big fan of lentil chips, but otherwise that's from food.